We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting words in English. I don't think there's any difference between British and American pronunciations, but there are two different ways of saying it that are used in either countries. Those two ways are as fecund, fecund. The other way is fecund. I don't think one is British, the other American. They both used fecund or fecund. Did you get it? Was this any helpful? Which way do you pronounce it yourself? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.